Physicians, today on your 1-minute physician vitality session, taking a look at what the ideal step count is on a daily basis for a physician. When it comes to all-cause mortality, we start seeing benefits in as little as 4,000 steps a day. But we're not just trying not to die. We're trying to live a higher quality of life, a life where we're not as stressed, we're in a better mood, we're happier, we're more content, we're more present with our family, we're enjoying the time that we have doing the things that we love to do and not just letting the time pass us by. So does that mean that we push it to as many steps as we possibly can in a day? Absolutely not. Or a decrease in disease and different health markers. But we do see benefits at certain milestones. You'll see benefits at 6,000 steps a day that you won't see at 4,000. You'll see benefits at 8,000 that you won't see at 6,000. Chances are when you're at the hospital or at your clinic, you're gonna have higher step count on those days in which you're at work. That's what I typically see with the physicians I work with. The key is making that number your normal, even on the days that you're not at the hospital or the clinic. Now, the number I set for most of my physicians is 8,000 steps a day. Looking at benefits in mood, cognitive function, which is obviously going to be very critical to your performance at work, even weight loss or weight maintenance. If you're not at that step count, no big deal. What I would recommend doing is set a goal of whatever your average currently is, 500 to 1,000 steps more per day. You can start to incrementally increase that until you meet that 8,000 threshold. If you happen to go beyond that, awesome. Although I wouldn't make it a focal point of your health and fitness plan to go beyond that. I'd love to hear in the comments like what you're doing to keep your step count up on the days that you aren't at the hospital or at the clinic. Lay out the strategies that you implement and find helpful to help you keep your step count up when you're not at the hospital or the clinic. It's not ideal for a number of reasons, but at a certain step count, and without referencing the research, I believe it's around like 12,500 steps a day, you don't really start to see further benefit as far as quality of life.